Welcome back to Living Pacific Northwest, guys. Today I will be doing an unboxing of the Amico Power Welder. Sorry if I'm butchering that name, can't pronounce it. But I got a stick welder here. It has it's ARC160D. Here's some of the features. Here's what's included on the inside. You got the stick welder itself. You got a 10-foot electrode holder cable, 10-foot work clamp cable, 115 volt and 230 volt power adapter, and an owner's manual. This thing weighs about 15 pounds. I bought it off eBay for about 150 bucks, I believe. I just wanted a cheap little welder so I can do a few projects here and there. This video is just going to be a quick unboxing. Later in the week, maybe I'll post some videos of me actually trying to weld. I actually don't know how to weld, so this should be very interesting. So let's go ahead and open this girl up. Alright, I'm gonna put down the camera real quick. Right up front, you got the owner's manual. Throw that off the side, I'll read that later. Pull this out of the box. Actually, let me show the packaging. It actually looks pretty nice packaging wise. It's in there pretty well. You got your something cable. Not sure what that is. It's the ground, I know that, but I don't remember what it's called. You got your adapter cable, which is nice. I do not have one of these funky outlets. I'm gonna pull this out real quick. I need two hands. So here's the welder itself. Let me knock off these. Throw them over there. There we go. I got the welder itself. It's got a nice little handle on top, as you can see. Let me get it out of this plastic real quick. Nice fancy on and off button there. Very important. Put the camera down again. There we go. Nice little, oh, I think I just broke it. Alright. There we go. Alright, so it is cheap. Not the best thing in the world, but it works. Positive, negative, negative, positive. 160 down to 20. OC, I forgot what that stands for. You got power, on off button. Got your AC, and it comes out to DC. So it's a DC inverter. Goes in with AC 150. I believe this is the 230 volt AC. Goes in. It turns it into DC, and then you weld. Let me see what's else in the box right here. Yep, looks like there's your actual, what is this called? Hold on. There's your actual electrode holder. Electrode, I don't know. It said it was supposed to come with some actual welding sticks, but I do not see any. Well, what can you... Maybe they're in here. Nope, don't see them. That's kind of disappointing. I was hoping I would be able to turn it on and weld something tonight. I might still turn it on and hope it doesn't blow up. Let me set up everything real quick and I'll show you what it looks like. These come in Ziploc baggies, which is actually kind of nice, so if you want to, you can end up putting it back in. Packaging itself is pretty decent. No complaints so far. The only disappointment is the lack of welding sticks. This is how I either cut myself or cut the wires. There we go. All right. Bam. All right. So up here, looks like we have obviously a handle and maybe a strap to throw around your shoulder. Looks to be. Is that metal or plastic? That's plastic. I don't know how well that will work, but well, it seems pretty sturdy. You know, because I pulled on it, it means sturdy. Do this. There we go. Perfect. Now I got it to 150 volts, I believe. 115, excuse me. Oh, see, it looks like this is already starting to come off. Or was it put on right? It bubbled right there. But like I said, like I don't really, oh, yep, there you go. Granted, you're not supposed to be sitting here peeling this stuff off. But it feels like it is definitely cheap. It's definitely a cheap welder. I can tell that right off the bat. But as long as it welds, I do not care. Like I said, it was 150 bucks off eBay. Aside from that, all the other stickers look fine. Plastic looks a little rough. Like I saw, I opened this thing up and instantly popped it off, which that looks like it wants to do it again. Granted, I'm kind of just playing with this and trying to break it now. Supposedly it's got an LED. Let's plug it in actually. See if it doesn't blow up on me. Okay, so far so good. On switch. Oh, everything flickered a little bit. There we go. It's actually got nice sensitivity for what it is. It says it's at 40 right now. Let's bring it back down to 20. So, I don't know if you guys can see that. It says 40, that says 30, so it might be 10 off. But it accelerates nice and steady. So 40 is a little above 40. Excuse me. It's a little above 40. I can deal with that. See what 60 is. 60 is 50, above 60. That's 60 right there. Go up to 90. 90 is actually right on the money. Go to 110. 110 is actually 122. Go up to 130. 130 is 140. 16. Yeah, I would call that 150. Is 153. All the way up to 60 is actually 163. So let me turn this down. Turn it off in the back. There we go. And it's not off. Okay, there we go. Oh, that scared me a little bit. Let me put down this protective face shield there and everything's secure. Unplug it. There we go. Nobody died. Successful, right? Let's check out this real quick. Oh, that's stiff. I don't know if that's good or bad. Oh, it's going to be one of those. Let me put the camera down real quick. See if this moves at all. This moves a little bit. I don't know if you can see it. But I don't know if it's supposed to do that or what, because it looks like you can unscrew it from here. But this has got a good bite to it. Seems strong. Like I said, I've never welded before, so I don't really know. Like, can you touch this part when you're welding, or you're supposed to stay like away from it? I feel like you're supposed to stay away from it. It's metal, metal, bad. So there's that. Here's the end. goes in to the welder itself from the electrode holder. Let me open up the other box real quick. Alright, so here's the ground. I believe it's got some copper right there, if you guys can see that. This actually looks used. Right there, it's got some darkening, or maybe it's just rusted. I don't know, I can't really tell. You guys will have to let me know if that's good or bad. But here's your ground. It's nice, strong. This will definitely not slip off. It's not going anywhere. That actually really hurts. But it looks like it'll grip on pretty well. It's pretty much anything. Yeah, it took quite a bit of force to actually pull it off there. It is a little crooked. I don't know if you guys can see it. It kind of looks a little like that, but like I said, for the price point, I don't really care. Open up the owner's manual here, and I will probably read this tonight. Doesn't look too bad. Here's the table of contents. Nope, that's not it. That's not the table. There it is, right there. Welder safety. Read before using. Definitely will. General functions, descriptions, specifications, content, operating controls, connections and installations, troubleshooting, warranty. All right. See if there's any pictures. Electric shock can kill. That's comforting. It just looks like a basic manual. Please read what's this. Thank you for the blah 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 blah. Damage, feedback. Our number one goal is customer satisfaction. Thank you for feedback. Nice little letter. All right, guys. I think that's all I'm gonna do for this video tonight. I will get some sticks tomorrow, and I will start welding a few things. I'll probably pick up some junk metal from work. I don't think I have anything here. No. So that's it for tonight, guys. Hope you enjoyed the video. I'll keep you posted. I'll post a few more videos within the next few days. I do want to build a canopy type cover for my truck. And that's one reason I bought this doohickey right here. So, thanks for watching. Have a good night, guys. I'll see you next time.